Techniques for enhancing your memory. Welcome to a fascinating journey into the depths of the human mind. In today's video, we will explore the methods to optimize the retention of your mind. I'm WonderMind, the perfect channel for curious people like you. Here, we talk about all the most interesting things happening in our world. To discover all of them, stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Imagine a world without memory. Our experiences, cherished moments, loved ones, all reduced to fleeting moments, slipping through our fingers like grains of sand. Memory is the foundation that shapes our identity, molds our relationships, and empowers us to navigate the complexities of life. But what exactly is memory? It's not just a mere recollection of events, it's the tapestry of our lives, woven intricately within the folds of our minds. Memory is the intricate art of storing, retaining, and retrieving information, experiences, and emotions. Now, you may be wondering, why is it important to improve our memory? Well, the answer lies in the endless possibilities that open up when we harness the full potential of our minds. Picture this: acing exams effortlessly, recalling facts and figures effortlessly, impressing your friends and colleagues with your razor-sharp memory. All of this becomes within reach when we enhance our memory capacity. But that's not all. Improved memory fuels creativity, sparks innovation, and enhances problem-solving skills. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone eager to make the most out of life, sharpening your memory will pave the way to success and fulfillment. Our bodies and minds are intertwined in a delicate dance, and the choices we make each day shape our overall health and cognitive abilities. Picture this: a vibrant plate filled with colorful fruits and vegetables, providing the essential nutrients that fuel our brain's potential. Imagine a serene bedroom where restful sleep replenishes our energy, restores our mental clarity, and enhances our memory. A balanced diet is not just about nourishing our bodies, it's about feeding our brains with the building blocks they need to thrive. Every bite we take, every sip we drink, plays a vital role in the intricate tapestry of our cognitive health. The nutrients we consume, such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins, act as superheroes within our brains. They protect our neurons, boost synaptic connections, and promote the growth of new brain cells. By embracing a balanced diet, we gift ourselves the opportunity to optimize our memory and unleash our full intellectual potential. Now, let's talk about sleep. In our fast-paced world, where productivity and achievements reign supreme, sleep often takes a back seat. But it's time we acknowledge the profound impact that restful slumber has on our memory. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity, a sanctuary where our brains recharge, repair, and consolidate memories. It's during those peaceful hours that our minds sift through the day's experiences, organizing and storing them in the vast archive of our memory. But here's the heartbreaking truth: in our pursuit of success, we often sacrifice sleep, leaving our memory and overall well-being in tatters. Fatigue sets in, cognitive function falters, and memories become elusive, slipping through our fingers like sand. My friend, it's time to prioritize our sleep and honor our body's need for rest. Let us create a sanctuary, a haven of tranquility, where we can surrender to the healing embrace of slumber. The physical exercise holds the key to unlocking our true potential, bridging the gap between mind and body, and unleashing a torrent of benefits that will forever transform the way we learn and remember. It's time to lace up our shoes, hit the gym, or step out into nature, because research has shown that physical activity is a game changer when it comes to enhancing our cognitive abilities. When we exercise, magic happens within our brains. Our heart pumps, delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients to every nook and cranny of our minds. Neurotransmitters dance and spark, creating new neural connections that lay the foundation for enhanced learning and memory. Exercise releases a flood of feel-good hormones, such as endorphins and dopamine, that uplift our spirits, reduce stress, and create an optimal environment for our brains to thrive. Through exercise, we can sculpt our minds just as we sculpt our bodies. It's a powerful tool that enhances our focus, sharpens our attention, and heightens our ability to absorb new information. But here's where it gets truly remarkable: exercise doesn't just improve our ability to learn, it enhances our memory. When we engage in physical activity, we stimulate the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This extraordinary protein acts as a fertilizer for our brain cells, nurturing their growth and fortifying our memory. Repetition and review are the guardians of our memories, the keepers of our cherished moments, and the pathways to truly embedding knowledge within our minds. Repetition is the gentle touch that nudges our memories from fleeting to steadfast. It's the act of revisiting information, experiences, or skills, imprinting them deep within the folds of our minds. When we repeat and review, our brain cells awaken and forge stronger connections, like the roots of a mighty tree reaching deeper into the earth. It's through this intentional revisiting that information transitions from short-term memory to the hallowed halls of long-term memory. But why is repetition and review so essential in the memorization process? It's because our memories are delicate, ephemeral creatures, easily forgotten amidst the noise and distractions of our daily lives. They require nurturing, attention, and gentle reminders to flourish and endure. Review is the act of consciously revisiting information over time, reinforcing the neural connections that form the foundation of our knowledge. Each review session is like a reunion with a long-lost friend. We dust off the layers of forgetfulness and rediscover the gems hidden within. With each review, our memories become more resilient, more accessible, and more firmly entrenched in the fabric of who we are. In this whirlwind of information overload, focus and attention emerge as beacons of light, guiding us towards the oasis of true memorization. Being focused and present is more than a fleeting state of mind, it's an intentional act of honoring the present moment, of immersing ourselves fully in the experience at hand. When we focus, the world around us fades into the background, and our minds become a receptive canvas, ready to absorb the richness of the information we wish to remember. But why is focus and attention so crucial when it comes to memorization? It's because our memories are fragile and easily overshadowed by the noise of our surroundings. They require the gentle touch of our undivided attention to truly take root and flourish. When we are fully present, our minds become attuned to the nuances, the details, and the subtleties that weave together the tapestry of memory. We notice the patterns, the connections, and the significance that might otherwise slip away unnoticed. When we direct our mental energies towards a specific task or information, a magical transformation occurs within our brains. The power of organization lies in its ability to bring harmony to the complexities of knowledge. By organizing information in a logical and structured way, we create a roadmap, a clear path that our minds can follow, leading us directly to the treasures we wish to remember. But why is organization and structuring so essential when it comes to memorization? It's because our minds thrive on order, on patterns, and on connections. When we present information in a coherent manner, we create a framework that our brains can easily navigate and absorb. When we arrange information in a logical way, we create a sense of order, a sense of familiarity that resonates deeply with our minds. Our brains are incredible pattern recognition machines. When we organize information, we tap into this innate ability, aligning our thoughts with the natural flow of our neural networks. Let's delve into some practical examples of how you can enhance your memory and take control of your learning journey. First, let's talk about mnemonic devices. Mnemonics are memory aids that help you remember information by linking it to something more memorable or familiar. For example, to remember a list of items, you can create a vivid mental image that connects each item to a specific location or action in a familiar place, like your home. Another powerful technique is called spaced repetition. It's all about strategically reviewing information at specific intervals over time. Instead of cramming everything in one go, spaced repetition allows you to revisit the material at gradually increasing intervals, reinforcing your memory with each repetition. But here's where it becomes truly transformative: applying active learning techniques. Instead of passively absorbing information, actively engage with it. Take notes, ask questions, and discuss the material with others. Actively seek to understand and apply the concepts you encounter. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know what topics you want to see. And see you next time.